find that thing, Zion? Oh, you have.
That's right. You found it?
Well, we found it. It's just a matter of getting it down.
I saw you chasing after Joan, yeah.
Well, that was closer. Those two lights. So you will be able to see the eyes just up there. I don't know if you can see it. Two eyes facing that way, just straight up here.
Oh, right.
It's about that size, isn't it? It's not a huge one. But we'll up from what that can reach. So if I can stand on David's shoulders, we'll be alright.
Can you get up that? Can you get to that V of that tree?
If I was younger, I'd have been up there.
That's it.
My poor eyesight.
Ah, here he is.
I take it it's still up there.
Yeah. Not very good with the aim at throwing.
If you bang the tree a bit,
Yeah.
I just think the trees.
you don't want it
Right,
you don't want it dropping in the water. I can see it. It blends in well with that, doesn't it?
Straight up there.
How far close is the water?
Right up. Oh
Yeah.
yes, right up, isn't it? Yeah,
Yeah.
my eyes. Yeah.
How close is the water?
Well, not to worry. If we just throw, let's see if we can just throw
Well, keep an
something
eye on
on
my
them.
keep an eye on my bike, and I can get up there. I
Yeah.
think.
The brittle stuff is really brittle stuff.
I don't want blame me if it goes in the water.
Go in the water. Like,
Don't switch it on. Like I say, once it's clear, it might carry on. Hang on. Just need a bit of a leg up.
You're going to struggle 'cause it's quite a way out, isn't it?
Yeah.
Well, whereabouts?
If you were to get up.
As I said, even with David's quite tall.
Yeah. Hang on.
You're going to have to get.
Give us a shove from behind.
Let me get a foot. Let me get a foothold. And then take this foot. Yeah.
Yeah.
That's the one that wants rocking, isn't it?
Yeah, if you just lock that thing, they might just do it, you know. Where's it now? Oh, it's still up there.
Yeah, I mean that's moving it.
Yeah,
Oh, there we go.
it's
There we go. Go on.
coming.
Yeah,
Keep going.
that's moved it.
That's it.
Yeah.
The water's close, you know.
Oh, don't worry about the water. They won't fall in the water. That's it.
Just the next limb up, isn't it?
Yeah.
Whereabouts?
It's like about a foot above that bit that you're sort of shaking. It is moving. It has moved. This way.
Oh yeah,
Yeah, you try and shift that. Try and move that one time.
No.
Don't try and climb up there. Just try and,
Whereabouts?
oh yeah, you might be able to get it there. Up through there.
oh yeah. Straight up. Yeah.
There you go. Follow that route. That's
That's
it.
it,
There you
yeah.
go. Oh, nearly.
Come
Come
in.
in. You're hitting the right piece.
That's it.
Yeah. Oh.
That's it.
Yay! Oh, Zion!
That's all right.
Back there, back there. Back there.
The water keeps deep down there.
Yeah.
Oh, God.
You got it?
Nice one.
Thanks, mate.
Broken.
Oh well.
Thank you guys.
Might need a bit of a
No, sit
hand
off
back.
now. Okay.
Something to stand on there.
Yeah. What can I do? All right. You right?
That's it.
Oh goodness.
Well done. You okay?
Yeah.
Cool. Thanks, mate.
Like I say, I've been there myself, mate. I know.
Thank you so much.
I know
for
the
that.
fear. I had mine take off. Luckily, I had pressed the. Thanks, mate, for the pole and
Yeah,
that.
cheers.
so
Thanks for
much.
your help. Cheers. Thank you.
Yeah, I took mine off. Luckily, I pressed the return to home thing. Has it got a return to home thing?
Not this one, no.
Last one you had.
And luckily, it came back.
Yeah.
And but mine was
The
a.
thing is with this one, it just every now and again it just loses connection.
Yeah.
So we just lost connection with it. And
Well,
there's
it is.
nothing we can do, so.
Thanks, mate.
Yeah, nice one. Well done, buddy.
Just let it drop if you can get it back to just drop, and just look to keep an eye on it. It goes a lot further than what you think. But anyway, have a nice day.
Appreciate that. Thank you.
That's all right. I know the fear, mate. I saw you panicking when it was going. Yeah, I know the feeling. You see, 'cause I used to have one, and mine went fucking rogue once, and luckily it's got a return to home thing. And I pressed it, couldn't even see it anymore, and luckily it come back. I managed to. I could see I was going on my bike the corner there, and I could see him crossing the tram lines in panic, and I know that feeling. So.
That'd be a good deed.
Yeah.
Good deed done for the
Well, and you, mate, if you don't be off your pole. But anyway, have a nice day.
Fate.
Yeah, have a nice day.
Thank you.